Welcome to a very special long-form episode of English Snap Lab. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Emily, why are we spending 20 minutes on restaurants? Isn't it just point and eat?
I wish. Restaurant English is actually about politeness and specifications. In a shop, you just buy an item. In a restaurant, you are instructing someone how to prepare your food.
That's true. One wrong word and you get spicy soup when you wanted mild.
Exactly. Today we cover reservations, the menu, dietary restrictions, the order, problems, and the bill.
If you want to master these 20 minutes, subscribe to English Snap Lab and get ready to take notes.
Let's start before you even arrive. You need to call.
I want a table tonight.
A bit too blunt. Try, I'd like to book a table for 4 for 7 p.m.
I'd like to book a table for 4 for 7 p.m.
Perfect. When you arrive, the host says, "Under what name?"
Under Paul.
If you don't have a reservation, ask, "Do you have any openings?" Or, "How long is the wait for a table of 2?"
What if they say 20 minutes?
You can say, "Could you put us on the waiting list?" Or, "We'll grab a drink at the bar while we wait." Now you're seated. Menus are divided into sections. Paul, do you know them?
I know food and drinks.
Let's be more specific. Appetizers or starters, small dishes before the meal. Entrees or main courses, the big plate. Sides, extra items like fries or salad. Dessert, the sweet stuff at the end.
What if I don't know what a dish is?
Ask the waiter, "What does this dish come with?" Or, "Could you describe the name of dish?"
And my favorite question, what would you recommend?
This is the most important part for many people. What if you are allergic to something?
No nuts. I will get sick.
Say, "I have a severe insert item allergy. Does this contain any insert item?"
What if I am vegetarian or vegan?
Ask, "Are there any vegetarian options?" Or, "Can this be made vegan?"
And for the picky eaters, Emily?
Use the word substitute. For example, "Can I substitute the fries for a side salad?" Or, "Could I have the dressing on the side?" Let's say your food arrives, but it's wrong. Paul, show me polite English.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but I ordered the salmon and this is the chicken.
Waitress, "Oh, I am so sorry. I'll take this back to the kitchen immediately."
What if I found a hair in my food? Gross.
Stay calm. Say, "I'm afraid there's a problem with my meal. Could I speak to the manager?" Most restaurants will give you the meal for free or on the house if there is a hygiene issue. At the end, the waiter asks, "Can I get you anything else? Dessert? Coffee?"
I'm all set, thank you. Just the check, please.
You've got it. Remember to check if the service charge is included. If not, a tip is expected in many countries.
This 20-minute lesson was a full meal.
I hope our listeners feel full of knowledge. Write your answers below, and if you want the PDF transcript of this 20-minute lesson, check the link in our description.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to English Snap Lab. Happy eating!